If you're looking to plan a fun, easy pink gamer girl party at home, this video is going to save you hours of planning. Hi, I'm Daisy and I help busy parents throw amazing parties without overwhelm. Today, I'm going to walk you through a complete DIY gamer girl birthday party setup, including gamer girl themed party food ideas, how to style a gamer girl party table like a pro, easy gamer girl party favor ideas, and simple printable decorations that make everything look coordinated. By the end of this video, you will feel confident recreating this entire look at home by yourself. Now when it comes to planning a gamer girl birthday party, themed food doesn't have to be complicated. The secret? Simple recipes and clever naming. Here are some easy, budget-friendly ideas. Sleigh Station Joystick Fudge. Pretzel rods dipped in pink candy melts placed into brownie fudge squares. It looks like mini gaming controllers, super cute and incredibly easy to assemble. Mana Potion Loot Cups. These are pink lemonade jellos topped with berry gummies and whipped cream. Layered in clear cups, they instantly look party ready. Pixel Heart Popcorn Mix. These are popcorn tossed with hard candies and rainbow sprinkles. Quick to make, affordable, and perfect for filling party bowls. Power Up Cupcakes. Strawberry vanilla cupcakes topped with Gamer Girl printable cupcake toppers and wrappers. This is one of my favorite time-saving hacks for a DIY gamer party. Just personalize, print, cut, attached. Done in minutes. Even plain store-bought cupcakes instantly look styled and cohesive. If you want your gamer girl party to look put together fast, cupcake toppers are the easiest win. Health Potion Drink. These are raspberry lemonade mixed with sparkling water for a magical pink glow. And finally, a personalized gamer girl birthday cake. You can easily transform an ordinary cake into a themed showpiece using our gamer girl birthday cake topper printable. No fondant skills, no custom bakery cost, just print, cut and insert. It's one of the most budget-friendly ways to create a professional-looking gamer girl birthday party at home. Now that the food is ready, let's talk about styling your party gamer girl setup. There are two parts, the party table and the wall backdrop. Styling the party table. The key to a beautiful DIY party table is height variation. Use cake stands, small crates, decorative boxes, or anything sturdy you already have at home. Step 1. Place the birthday cake in the center. This is your focal point. Step 2. Build around it. Cupcakes go on mid-level stands on either side. Step 3. Create depth. Place drinks in clusters of 3 or 5. Odd numbers create visual balance and make your gamer girl party table look intentional. Step 4. Fill the gaps. Add favor boxes or small bowls of treats to complete the look. This simple structure instantly elevates your DIY birthday party setup without extra costs. Styling the wall backdrop. A styled wall makes a huge difference in party photos. And here's how to keep it simple. Hang our gamer girl party banner centered above the table, then arrange our themed wall cutout underneath to frame the setup. Keep the spacing even, step back and adjust until it looks balanced. Finally, place your personalized welcome sign on the easel, then add food thank cards in front of each dish. Those small details are what make a DIY gamer girl party look polished and cohesive. Gamer girl party favor ideas. Now let's talk about party bags, because kids always remember the favors. Here are some easy gamer girl party favor ideas. Friendship bracelets. Nothing says girl power squad like making and swapping bracelets at a gamer girl party. Pop-it gamer keychains. Endless popping fun and matches the pixel theme perfectly. Squishy toys, the ultimate response stress relief treat. Kawaii cat hairbands. Instant cute gamer girl look they can wear all party long. When you're planning a birthday party at home, the hardest part isn't the food. It's about making everything look cohesive. And using a coordinated gamer girl party printable kit means you have matching colors, consistent fonts, balanced layout, and no running around searching for separate decorations. Everything in our kit is designed to work together. And because our printable kit is editable and instant download, you can personalize everything in one sitting. And that's it, a complete DIY pink gamer girl birthday party setup using printable decorations and simple tools you already have at home. It's easy to assemble, budget-friendly, perfect for busy parents, and it looks stylish without being overwhelmed. If you'd like to recreate this exact gamer girl birthday party setup, I've linked all the printables I used in the description down below. Everything in this kit is editable, instant download, and designed to help you throw a beautiful gamer girl party confidently and stress-free. You've got this.